Thank you, everybody. This is beyond my recognition and understanding that I've been awarded this right now. As she stated, I went from barely knowing anything about this except how to spell AI to actively working with it and transforming my understanding and skills along the way. What once seemed like a mysterious buzzword quickly became a powerful tool as I immersed myself in learning, experimenting, and applying AI technologies to real world scenarios. Through curiosity and persistence, I've developed the ability to integrate AI into various aspects of work and problem solving, turning what was once unfamiliar into an invaluable skill set. And I thank you, Dan and Gina, and everybody in this team for making that a possibility for me. I will click onto the link right now. Am I sharing?
Okay, we aren't seeing your screen yet, Elliot. Would you like to share your screen with us?
There I go, sharing right now. Bam.
Bam.
All right.
And well, yes, move to a slideshow so that we can. Yep. There we go. All right.
All righty. So Pure Water Factory, we do water better. Just quickly, I came to Miami, as she stated, about 4 years ago and stayed in running for about 8 miles, went back to the hotel asking where I could get clean drinking water because it's in 8 states on the West Coast. And they said, que dice drinking water store. So no water store. I came back 6 months later with a vision and a plan and an idea because I felt that, as Sandra clearly said, clean drinking water isn't a privilege, it's a right. So Pure Water Factory was formed. Here's my presentation. My name, Elliot Durant. I'm the co-founder with my brother, David Durant, of Pure Water Factory. And what we've provided now is a filtration store with proprietary filtration. What we do is we eliminate all 57 contaminants and infuse natural minerals for healthier, pure water. We use a triple reverse osmosis system, which is right there in the store, that delivers a 9.5 pH alkaline water. Our entrepreneurial roots are just founded, like I said, by myself and my brother during the COVID-19 pandemic. It came out of a need. The water is affordable at $3 a gallon, and we only charge $7 for delivery and no contracts, no handcuffs. The store is a Coconut Grove store. It's right there on 2625 Southwest 27th Avenue, where you're able to actually walk in and fill up in the store by yourself as well with refill. And you can chat with my team, which is Laura, who manages my store. Our mission statement is that we do water better. The marketing asset that we used was AI was used to market my power my marketing video and to promote Pure Water Factory. I never knew how to do slides or create a commercial or create content or a character or anything. And through this, I've been able to create now a cartoon character. I did a commercial and a few other things which have now boosted my ratings on video. In Pillar 1, the campaign objective was to expand our reach to a larger audience and increase sales through effective marketing strategies. Our metric is that we check and we see how many new customers we're getting per month. We were at 10, we are now up to 13 to 15, and we're increasing, looking at a goal of 20 to 25 per month. Our target audience is health enthusiasts, mostly fitness lovers, yoga practitioners, CrossFit people, and of course, the vegans. But really, everybody, anybody who's seeking clean, ultra pure alkaline drinking water because it provides better health. The irresistible offer is we're offering is if you sign up today, you'll receive 20% off your first order, and additionally for the next 90 days. And on top of that, we're going to give you a BPA-free sports bottle so that you can make sure to hydrate daily. And then if you refer a friend, we'll also add another month of 20% off water delivery for every person that you refer to start service. The thumb-stopping visuals that I've been able to use, as I said, was the cartoon character that I created, and then the commercial, which I used through Indeed and is one of my largest viewed videos on Instagram. We created a vibrant, fun superhero, as I said, to visualize the emphasized strength and health benefits of the alkaline water. And the compelling message is that we have if you use 1 5-gallon bottle, it's BPA free, and it replaces 40 16.9 ounce bottles, which is taking plastic waste off the planet. Our water is also free of the metals and impurities and contaminants for an unparalleled purity. And then we offer, of course, no contracts, and flexibility is always included. The call to action was to call or visit our store and to sign up for home office delivery by the end of the year and start enjoying ultra pure alkaline water today. So here are some of the visuals that I was able to create thanks to AI. That's my character there on the left. I put in there to please just put, I want vibrant water that's feeding the people and giving them the life that they needed. And they all want alkaline water and have Miami in the background. And I was able to do this with the prompts. And then to your right, you will see the other one with the PWF man. And that also shows that he is with Miami in the background and the Key Biscayne Bridge, and showing PWF and the clarity and the spurs behind it. And then my favorite is the one in the middle that I finally came to with Canva, which was, I prompted it about 4 different times to show water coming from a waterfall, purity falling into a bottle with PWF 9+ pH. And thanks to Otis and for the in paint and being able to change the writing, because as you guys know, it didn't do the PWF and the pH properly. So I had to get in there and change that, and I didn't know how to do any of that. Then how I built it was I asked GPT to assist me in forming the strategy for the pillars, which I described precisely. I used a combination of ChatGPT, DALL-E, and many others. I mean, InVideo, CapCut, and Veed, and then I used Canva Pro to edit the images. Let's see, results, outcome, and time saved. My outcome was the campaign objective was to make a video and be able to get a brand voice to market. The time that I saved was remarkable. It was 6 hours in total easily, probably more because I didn't even really know about the internet. And then on top of it, the last time I had to do Google Slides, I had to pay somebody $500 to do them. And now I've made 4 companies to send out since I've signed up and joined this class. So now it's time and money saving. In the beginning, this was more time consuming and it was very daunting, but at the end it resulted in time and money saved. And most importantly, I now have the tools to be self-sufficient, which is the big winner. Pure Water Factory is in the beginning of collaboration. What's next is we're in collaborations and expansions. We're working towards franchising and getting our products out into the retail markets by 2025. We utilize AI in our marketing and social media and sales proposals. And a goal is to attain a customer base of 1,000 customers this year as we continue to retain 99% of our customers. And then the bonus was, thanks to using ChatGPT, I generated a sales proposal for a 5-chain. It's now going to be 5 gyms, Elevation 8 Fitness here in Miami. And I am private labeling for all 5 of their locations. They will be getting 2 pallets of each size every single month from now on. And that is a nice chunk of change that comes through. And I've been able to create 2 other proposals since we've all been doing this, and I'm waiting on that to come back too. So as you see, they've accepted the proposal, and I just wanted to thank you from Pure Water Factory. And if you want any more information about delivering to your home office or private labeling, which we also do, and also for wholesale and retail sales, please call us at 786-431-1018, or just come to the store at 2625 Southwest 27th Avenue. Bring your sports bottle, fill up for free. And I just wanted to, God bless you all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I knew nothing about this, and you were a game changer.
Isn't that amazing, Elliot? What you've shown from just digging in and really taking it seriously and applying yourself. I'd like to invite your coach Otis up to share his comments.
Elliot,
guys, amazing.
Elliot, again, amazing work. I just want to congratulate you on all your wins the past 8 weeks. Like you said, it's been encouraging to hear about not just the time you've saved, but also the financial impact that you've already experienced. I love the creativity you've shown with the videos, the superhero imagery. And I also wanted to let you know I appreciate the value that you brought to our breakout sessions and also to the entire cohort when you shared in front of all of us. So again, amazing work. I am just really excited to see the amount of progress that you've made the past 8 weeks, and I wish you continued success.
May I show 30 seconds?
Oh, okay.
I don't want to exceed time too much, but I just wanted to show you what you guys were able to create, what you made happen.
Searching for the purest, most effective hydration in Miami? At Pure Water Factory, we believe water is life, and you deserve the best. Our ultra pure 9+ pH alkaline water is crafted fresh daily, using multi-stage reverse osmosis that removes 57 contaminants. We add UV light and ozone to kill bacteria, so each drop hydrates you at a cellular level. Come see our advanced purification system at 2625 Southwest 27th Avenue, Coconut Grove, or use our convenient, BPA-free 5-gallon bottle delivery. Family owned, minority owned, and certified locally, we proudly serve the 305. Order now at purewaterfactorymiami.com or call 786-431-1018. Because water is life, and you deserve the purest.
That couldn't be done
Yay.
without all of you people, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. It really makes me emotional. You guys are amazing. Thank you.